This problem is for black to play. It is the third time that we've seen this technique in this playlist. The only move is this cut. And white has two directions in which it can Atari. This will fail instantly because white will not be able to come in from either side. If white Ataris from this side, then black will sacrifice 2 stones and do one more throw in to make sure that white's liberties are short. Now white cannot connect here because white will die this way. The best white can do is to connect these 5 stones back and sacrifice those 2 other stones like this, and black succeeds for the purpose of this problem. Note that white still cannot connect here because black will be able to throw in and create a connect and die for white. So the best white can do is to save these 5 stones by not playing after black's number 11. Overall, the repetition of this technique in this playlist illustrates its importance in the game of Go. And this does come up in games, and it is something that you should consider when similar patterns come up. Thank you for watching.